Okay, so now we've got our yarn on our hook, it's time to start making a chain. So I hold my hook in my right hand because I'm right-handed, and hold the rest of the yarn in my left hand. Now, if you're new to crochet, it will take you a while to find a grip that you're comfortable with, but this is how I do it. I loop it round the bottom of my little finger and then up to my index finger, and this keeps it nice and tight while I'm working. Okay, then pull, hold on to the work on your hook with the same hand, and your right hand is going to be used for manoeuvring the hook. So yarn over the needle, little twist, and pull it through the loop. Okay, I'll do that again. That was one chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see there's 6 chains on the hook.